In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a car and review its features in the Turo app. First, open the Turo app on your device. Right at the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and tap it. This is where you'll tell Turo where you want to pick up your car. You can type a city, an airport, or a full street address. As you type, you'll usually see suggestions pop up. Choosing a precise option helps narrow results to exactly where you need the car. While you're here, you can also enter when you'll need the vehicle and the driver's age. Adding dates and times helps Turo show what's actually available for your trip window. And setting the correct driver age ensures you see cars you're eligible to book, with pricing and options that match your profile. It's a small detail that makes the search a lot more accurate. Once you've entered your location and, if you want, the timing and driver age, tap Search. Turo will load a list of available cars in that area. On this results screen, each car card typically shows a photo, the daily price, the car type, and often a rating. Take a moment to glance through and choose a car that fits your needs. When one looks promising, tap it to open the full listing. You're now on the car's details page. Start by scrolling down to read the description. This section is written by the host and often includes helpful context about the vehicle, what it's like to drive, and any notable considerations about using or caring for it. It's a great way to get a feel for whether the car matches your trip plans. Next, keep scrolling until you reach the features section. This is where you'll see the included amenities at a glance, things like built-in GPS, Bluetooth connectivity, or whether the car is marked pet-friendly. You might also spot items such as Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, USB ports, heated seats, or all-wheel drive, depending on the car. These details can make a big difference in comfort and convenience, especially on longer drives. If you see a link that says See All Features, tap it to view the full list. This expands the section so you can confirm every included amenity without missing anything. If the link isn't there, that typically means all features are already visible on the page. And that's it. You've searched for a car, opened a listing, reviewed the description, and checked the features so you know exactly what you're getting before you book.